afternoon children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 50. Now I am going to start exercise 51. Let us start the class. See exercise 51. Write the first four multiples of 10. Write the first four multiples of 10. What are the multiples of 10 children? What are the multiples of 10? The numbers which if we multiply 1, 2, 3, 4 with 10, what the numbers will we get? Those are called the multiples of 10. So what are the first four multiples of 10? 10 ones 10, 10 twos 20, 10 threes 30, 10 fours 40 and 10 fives 50. These are the first four multiples of 10. First four multiples of 10. Next one. 7 lakh and 16 is written as 7 lakh and 16 is written as 7 lakh and 16 is written as. How you will write 7 lakh and 16? Children, if you write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 7 lakh, 16. And here the remaining thousands place is 0 and hundreds place also 0. So this is 7 lakh 16. See the third one. 2 months after September. 2 months after September. What are the 2 months after September? What are those 2 months after September, children? October and November. 2 months after September are October and November. See the fourth one. 98 plus 98 plus 98 plus 98 equal to blank into 98. That means how many times we multiplied that 98? How many times we multiplied that 98? 4 times we multiplied that 98. 4 times we multiplied that 98. Okay, see the fifth one. 8 plus 11 plus 14. Children, if you observe, each and every number is differs with 3. What is the difference between 11 and 3? If you add 3 to 8, you will get 11. If you add 3 to 11, you will get 14. So these numbers, what they given, they are all of with the same difference. They are all with the same difference. So you have to circle the middle one. What is that middle number? 11. And you have to multiply that middle number with number of numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. 11 with 3. Then you will get 33. Then you will get 33. See the next one. 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Here if you observe, every number differs with some number. What is that number? How much is the difference between 9 and 11? What is the difference between 9 and 11? 10, 11, 2 difference. Again 11 to 13, 2 difference. That means these are all numbers differed by 2. And the difference is 2. With those difference only they given all the numbers. Yes, na? So circle the middle number. What is the middle number here? 13. And you have to multiply that middle number with how many number are there? Those with those numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 13 with the 5. 13 5, 65 is the answer. Okay, see the 8th one, children. 128 into 25. 128 into 25. Here if you okay children, 128 into 25. If you multiply 120 instead of multiplying with 128 with 25, many grams children? 1 kg contain 1000 grams. 1 kg contain 1000 grams. So if you divide the given number with 1000, you will get how many kgs and how many grams are there in that. So divide with 1000. 1000 with 3065. 1000 threes 3000s. Remainder 65. So here 3 kgs and 65 grams are there. 3 kgs and 65 grams are there. See the next one, children. Here they given some data for us. Dividend equal to 72. Divisor is 12. Find quotient and remainder. Find quotient and remainder. Find quotient and remainder. Okay children, look at it. Find quotient and remainder. See that Nana, if you observe here, what is that given thing? Dividend and divisor was given. They are asking us to find quotient and remainder. So what is the rule we have? In a division, what are the terms in division? For example, 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. In that here 15 is called dividend. What we call 15? Dividend. And here 3 is called divisor. 3 is called divisor. And the answer what you will get? That is called quotient. And if you divide, you will get remainder 0 na? This 0 is called remainder. That 0 is called remainder. These are the terms in the division. Basing on these terms, what they given here, they are giving the data 72 divided by 12 equal to something and the remainder equal to how much. That means you have to divide 72 with 12. 12 divides 72. In 12 table where it comes 72. Children read out 12 table. Divided by 12 equal to how much and remainder equal to how much. So 12 divides 72. Read out the 12 table Nana. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours 48. 12 fives 60. 12 sixes are 72. Here we got 72. Same answer we got. So how many times it divides? 12 divides 72 by 6 times it divides. By 6 times it divides. 12 sixes are 72. Here 72 minus 72 0. Here quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Like that we can complete, we can do it. Okay. And one more rule is there for to check this answer what we done it is correct or not. That rule is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means 72 equal to divisor 12, quotient 6 plus 0. What is 12 6 are 72. Both 72 equal to 72. So the answer what we done it is correct. This is the checking process of division. Checking process of division. Okay children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.